Bonjour les amis, hello my friend, welcome to another video to learn French with the song. Today we are going to learn a song that I like a lot this song. Wait, maybe I'll turn on the light. And the song name is Il était un petit navire. So you can see here the song name, Il était un petit navire. First, let's see a little bit the history of this song. As always, these are the old traditional French songs for the children, and they have been around for quite a while. So this song is... it used to be a song by the sailors, so the people on the boat, they would sing this, okay, and this song that was an oral song then was written and became a children's song in the 20th century. But before it was a song for the sailors, you know, Gaillard, a song for the sailors, you know, and it has to do with anthropophagy, so it's the men who eat other men, the end, yeah, because you know when you are on the boat and you have nothing to eat. And sometimes you have to eat someone else, you know, if you want to survive. Okay. Yeah, so it when it come at the 20th century, I don't know about it. In Comédie Vaudeville, I'm not sure about it. Vaudeville, yeah, it's just a comedy with no moral. Okay, and the music, yeah, it's again. The music was in 19th century. Okay, bon. Let's have a look at the song's word now. Let's have a look at the song word. First paragraph. It's quite a long song, so I will explain it to you first. Il était un petit navire. Il était un petit navire. Il était, there was un petit navire, a small boat. There was a small boat. So there was a small boat. First of all, il était un petit navire. There was a small boat. And then bis, which means you will say this twice. Qui n'avait jamais navigué. Qui n'avait, that never, jamais, never sailed. It navigué. Navigué means sailing. So there was a small boat that qui n'avait, that never, that didn't never went on the sea, you know. Il était un petit navire. There was a small boat that never sailed. Ohé, matelot. Matelot. The matelot is the sailor, the people who are on the boat. Matelot navigue sur les flots. The sailor will sail on the sea, on the waves, les flots. Ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Okay. Let's explain the paragraph 2. Okay, here it is. Il partit pour un long voyage. Bon, in fact, I would take them all. I would take them all. Okay. Il partit pour un long voyage. Parti pour un long voyage means he went on a long travel. Okay. Il partit pour, he left, for a long trip, a long travel. Il partit pour un long voyage sur la mer Méditerranée. Méditerranée is the Mediterranean Sea. So on the Mediterranean Sea, the sea, la mer, sur, on the sea, sur la mer, on the sea. Ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Okay, ohé, matelot, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Okay. Then now there is the paragraph 3, the third one. Au bout de 5 à 6 semaines, 5 to 6 weeks, au bout, after 5 to 6 weeks, les vivres vinrent à manquer. Les vivres is the food. The food is the things that you carry on les vivres is the things that you carry on the boat. The food came to manquer, it means there is no more. Ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. D'accord. On tirera à la courte paille. So what is la courte paille? I think you know la courte paille is you take a straw. La paille is a straw. You cut it and everyone will pick one. And the shortest one will lose, you know. So on tirer la courte paille. When you have a tough decision to make and nobody can decide. So you are just pick by luck, you know. So we pick by luck like this, la courte paille. Pour savoir, to know who qui serait mangé. Who will be eaten. Pour savoir qui serait mangé. Ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Okay. Le sort tomba sur le plus jeune. Le plus jeune, the youngest. Le sort tomba is the fate. Fell on the youngest. Le mousse qui se mit à pleurer. So the mousse is the people on the boat who is really the lowest grade, and he's the one who needs to clean the boat and climb up the, you know, the mast. Yeah? So le mousse qui se mit à pleurer. Se mettre à pleurer, it means start to cry. Ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Okay, and then we'll go on. Oh, it's very long, but we are going to sing it anyway. It's very long. Number 6. So here it is. On cherche alors à quelle sauce le pauvre enfant sera mangé. On cherche à quelle sauce. Quelle sauce. The sauce. Which sauce they will eat him. On cherche. We look. We search. Let me take it. On cherche. We search. With which sauce. With what? The poor kids. The poor child. Will be eaten. Ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. L'un voulait qu'on le mît à frire. So one of them wanted to fry him. Fried him. Like fried him with oil. The other one, l'autre, the other one, who voulait, wanted, le faire fricasser. Fricasser is another way to cook the food. Hein. So it doesn't matter so much. Ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Pendant qu'ainsi l'on délibère. So, during the time that people are like discussing about all this, okay, délibérer is, on délibère, we are discussing. Attendez, on délibère, wait. So when you have an important decision to take, then there will be several people, they will discuss, on délibère. So pendant, during that time that people discuss. Il monte en haut du grand hunier. So he climbs on the top of the great mast. Ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Il fait au ciel une prière. Le ciel is the sky. Une prière is to pray. So he prayed to the sky, okay? Interrogeant l'immensité. Asking around. Asking the vastness of the universe. The vast land around. Ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Number 10. Mais regardant la mer entière, but, regardant la mer entière, it means looking at the whole sea. Il vit des flots de tous côtés. All he can see, there is no land, so he's looking around à l'immensité. He has asking looking, but he only can see the sea on all sides. Ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Okay, so he's going to pray. He's going to pray and he will be saved by God. Okay, so let's have a look what happens. Here it is. Ô Sainte Vierge. Oh, okay. wait. I need to put it for you in good. By the way, all these words and everything, if you want, I can make it available for you. So you maybe on some website or platform, and then you can download it from there. Ô Sainte Vierge, ô ma patronne. So this is religious. So he's praying to the Virgin Mary, the mother of God, the mother of Jesus. Okay, and say, oh my Lord, you know, crier is shouting. Le pauvre infortuné, le pauvre, the miserable. Misfortune. Infortuné is someone who has really no luck. No fortune. La fortune is the luck. Ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Si j'ai péché, vite pardonne. Péché is to sin. So if I have done the sin, vite, quickly, forgive me. Please forgive me. Je ne veux pas pas être mangé. I don't want to be eaten. Je ne veux pas. I don't want. Être mangé. Be eaten. O-E, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Au même instant, un grand miracle. Au même instant, at this instant, un grand miracle means a great miracle. Pour l'enfant, for the child, fut réalisé, was realized, was achieved. O-E, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Des petits poissons dans le navire, many small fish in the boat, sautèrent par plusieurs milliers. So many small fish. They jump plusieurs milliers, several thousands of small fish they jump in the boat. On les prit, on les mit à frire. So they took them and they fried them. Le jeune mousse fut sauvé. So the young salesman was saved. O-E, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Si cette histoire vous amuse, nous allons la recommencer. So if this story you find it funny, amusé, if you find it funny, we are going to restart again, recommencer. We are going to sing it again. Okay. Now let's sing together. Now that we explain all the words, let's sing together. I will not sing it. I will just repeat maybe twice each paragraph, not too long because. Il était un petit navire. Il était un petit navire qui n'avait jamais navigué, qui n'avait jamais navigué. Ohé, ohé. Ohé, ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Il partit pour un long voyage. Il partit pour un long voyage sur la mer Méditerranée, sur la mer Méditerranée. Ohé, ohé. Ohé, ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Au bout de 5 à 6 semaines, au bout de 5 à 6 semaines, les vivres vinrent à manquer, les vivres vinrent à manquer. Ohé, 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 matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. On tira à la courte paille. On tira à la courte paille pour savoir qui serait mangé. Pour savoir qui serait mangé. Ohé, ohé. Ohé, ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Le sort tomba sur le plus jeune. Le sort tomba sur le plus jeune. Le mousse qui se mit à pleurer. Le mousse qui se mit à pleurer. Ohé, ohé. Ohé, ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. On cherche alors, ah, quelle sauce. On cherche alors, ah, quelle sauce. Le pauvre enfant, sera mangé. Le pauvre enfant, sera mangé. Ohé, ohé. Ohé, ohé, matelot. Matelot navigue sur les flots. matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. L'un voulait qu'on le mit à frire, l'un voulait qu'on le mit à frire, l'autre voulait le fricasser, l'autre voulait le fricasser. Ohé, ohé! Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Pendant qu'ainsi l'on délibère, pendant qu'ainsi l'on délibère, il monte en haut, haut du grand hunier, il monte en haut, haut du grand hunier. Ohé, ohé! Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Il fait au ciel une prière, il fait au ciel une prière, interrogeant Jean l'immensité, interrogeant Jean l'immensité. Ohé, ohé! Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Mais regardant la mer entière, mais regardant la mer entière, il vit des flots, flots, flots de tous côtés, il vit des flots, flots, flots de tous côtés. Ohé, ohé! Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ô Sainte Vierge, ô ma patronne, ô Sainte Vierge, ô ma patronne, cria le pauvre infortuné, cria le pauvre infortuné. Ohé, ohé! Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Si j'ai péché, vite me pardonne, si j'ai péché, vite me pardonne. Je ne veux pas être mangé, je ne veux pas être mangé. Ohé, ohé! Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Au même instant, un grand miracle, au même instant, un grand miracle, pour l'enfant fut réalisé, pour l'enfant fut réalisé. Ohé, ohé! Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Des petits poissons dans le navire, des petits poissons dans le navire, sautèrent par plusieurs milliers, sautèrent par plusieurs milliers. Ohé, ohé! Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. On les prit, on les mit à frire, on les prit, on les mit à frire. Le jeune mou se fut sauvé, le jeune mou se fut sauvé. Ohé, ohé! Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Si cette histoire vous amuse, si cette histoire vous amuse, nous allons la recommencer, nous allons la recommencer. Ohé, ohé! Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. So I hope you sing behind me because it's very, very long. It's very, very long. But you need to remember the new words. The new words. First, let me ask you. A small boat. A small boat. Un petit navire. Un petit navire. Okay? How to say to sail? To sail. To sail. Navigue. Naviguer. 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 How to say a sailor? Sailor. Un matelot. Un matelot. Un matelot navigue. Maybe how to say 5 and 6 weeks. 5 to 6 weeks. 5 à 6 semaines. 5 à 6 semaines. In fact, we do like this. 5 à 6 semaines. 5 to 6 weeks. Okay. The fate. The fate. How to say the fate? This is the fate. Le sort. Le sort. This is my fate. This is your fate. Le sort. Mon sort. Le sort tomba. The fate fell on the youngest one. The youngest one. Le plus jeune. Okay. Maybe what can we say? The poor child. The poor child. The poor child. Le pauvre enfant. Le pauvre enfant. The poor child. How to say to pray? To pray. Prayer. Prayer. Une prière. Une prière. Une prière. How to say the sin? The sin. You did the sin. Les péchés. Péché, the sin. Péché. How to say to save. Save someone. Sauver. 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 Okay, and what we are going to do now is we are going, so here you can sing together with it, or let's sing together. If you will just sing together with me this one, so at least you remember the main one, okay? You ready? Let's sing it together. Il était un petit navire, il était un petit navire qui n'avait jamais navigué, qui n'avait jamais navigué. Ohé, 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 matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Let's do it one more time, one more time. Il était un petit navire, il était un petit navire qui n'avait jamais navigué, qui n'avait jamais navigué. Ohé, 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 matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Donc, congratulations. This is the one that you need to remember. For all the songs, try to sing this one. You can find on Wikipedia, and then you learn the words, and at least you are able to learn this by heart. Because if you learn this by heart, you will learn many new words. Oh, there was a small boat. Il était un petit navire. There was, il était. Ah, il était un petit navire. Il était un petit navire qui n'avait jamais navigué, qui n'avait jamais navigué. Ohé, 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 matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Ohé, ohé, matelot, matelot navigue sur les flots. Bravo, très bien, très bien. So thank you for watching, and do your best at home to learn all this. Hein. À bientôt les amis, à bientôt les amis.